All right, let's start off the day with this new coin I've never covered before, INV. So it's just going absolutely parabolic. I actually day traded this coin, made a few thousand. I made just over $1,000 on it yesterday, and today whoops, okay, it's going down again. I actually got in yesterday at 470. Then I was a little bit well. I had to sell at 490. I would have made $600 if I kept it there. But then I got scared because it went all the way down to like $300. If I go to the 15-minute chart, I was on the 1 minute chart because I was day trading it or scalp trading it. But it went all the way down here, so I thought I was going to have to DCA in to get back out to break even. I did know it was going to bounce strong, but I didn't expect it to go up 30% in 1 hour. And then and then before it did that, I set it back to 470 at break even because I didn't know if it was going to reach 490. I thought it was going to make a lower low, and that didn't happen. So this is extremely bullish still, in my opinion. You're back at 495. I do know that 500 is support and resistance. And you also have a fib up here at 504, which I can zoom out and look and see what fib that is. But right now, I still think it has a lot of potential to keep going up. The question is it going to make a new high above 740, which is what it did yesterday? If I go out to the daily chart and we zoom in here a little bit, we're currently sitting at $500, basically, we'll call it. Right there, that's where the 618 is. If you close a hourly candle above it, I would say daily candle above with how volatile it is, how quickly it's moving. If you close that 1 hour candle above the 618, I think that means you're probably going to test this high again of 750. And I also think because on the day, let me go to the smaller, like the 6 hour chart. I mean, technically, this 6 hour chart is an indecision candle. If it wants to keep going up or go down, that's what we call it when it's just stuck in the middle like that. But overall, I still think it has a lot of potential. If you get above the 618, I think you can definitely rally up to 740 again. You do see on the 6 hour chart, the MACD is starting to turn down here a little bit. The RSI is extremely overbought on the 6 hour, probably even the 12 hour and daily and 3 day chart. Yeah, it's way up here at like 64. Wait, I thought that was higher. 64. That's not horrible. And the 3 day chart's only at 43. Three day chart is not overbought. The daily chart's almost overbought at 65, but I thought those would be higher. Let's go see what the 1 hour's at. See, up here got way up. That was probably yesterday when it went up to 740. That was 93. Then it went all the way down to 40. So yeah, it had that huge correction because it went up. Literally, I traded it. I got in on this huge pump. I don't know which candle it was. One of these candles I got in at 500 and then it went up to 740 and I made like $300 in 3 minutes. It's pretty awesome. But it's just been crazy to day trade, and I do think it's still bullish if you can if you close a 1 hour candle above 500. It's looking like it wants to keep going. So actually I might hop back in if it's what time is it? If in 13 minutes we are above $500 on the candle close, I'll probably hop in and buy a few of them at 500. We'll see what happens, but it looks like it wants to keep going. The fact that it came all the way down to $352 and then went parabolic 30% in 1 hour means that there are still buyers that are interested. What you really want to see is at least a move to $600 because that's where the next fib is. If you can if you stay above 500, then 592 is the next target where you close the 1 hour candle without using the wicks. And you also have, I think this is a 382 fib right here at 592. So if you stay above $500, the next target is, well, I guess the 0.76 fib is there at $570. So that would be the next target to the upside is 570. And then after that, you'd be looking for the local high here without using the wicks back here. Your local high would be above 570, would be 678. I think all those prices are attainable today because there's still buyers out there. So with that being said, I'm still bullish on the short term. We'll see what happens. But if you want to be really bullish, you have to stay above 500. And then the targets are upside is what I just said. With that being said, that's all I got. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe on your way out. And I'll see you guys in the next update.